Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Renaming column names and index names in a pandas data frame is a common operation when working with data. It allows you to make your data more descriptive and easier to understand. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to rename column names and index names in a pandas data frame. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. Step 2. Create a sample data frame. Let's create a sample data frame to work with. Step 3. Rename column names. You can rename column names using the rename method with a dictionary where keys are the current column names and values are the new column names. Step 4. Rename index name. You can rename the index name using the rename_access method. Putting it all together. By following these steps, you can easily rename column names and index names in a pandas data frame to make your data more meaningful and easier to work with.